From the smallest crevices in bustling cities to the vast wilderness of forests and deserts, rodents are everywhere. But have you ever wondered why these tiny creatures are among the most successful animals on earth? Do you know that rodents make up nearly 40% of all mammal species? That's right, these adaptable and resourceful animals have thrived for millions of years, outnumbering and outlasting many of their mammalian cousins. In this video, we will dive deep in the world of rodents, from their fascinating biology to their remarkable roles in ecosystems, and yes, even their interactions with humans. We will uncover some amazing truths. Stick around for surprising facts and answers to intriguing questions about these small yet mighty mammals. Have you wondered why do rodents have teeth that never stop growing? The answer lies in their need to grow on objects like wood, seeds, and even concrete. Without this constant wear, their incisors would grow too long, preventing them from eating properly. How do rodents manage to survive in such diverse environments? Whether it's the desert dwelling kangaroo rat or the city loving Norway rat, rodents adapt to almost any habitat due to their small size, resourcefulness, and rapid reproduction. Which rodent is the smartest? Believe it or not, rats are often cited as some of the most intelligent rodents. They can navigate mazes, learn tricks, and even display problem solving abilities similar to dogs. What roles do rodents play in ecosystems? Rodents are crucial for seed dispersal, soil aeration, and serving as prey for countless predators. But they also have a reputation as pests, so their impact isn't always welcome. Why are rodents studied in scientific research? Mice and rats are often used in laboratories because their genetic similarities to humans make them ideal for studying diseases and testing treatments. Names and fascinating facts about rodents. Common rodents. Mice, the most common rodents found on every continent except Antarctica. Rats, known for their intelligence and adaptability, they have colonized nearly every part of the world. Squirrels, expert climbers with bushy tails that act as rudders while leaping. Beavers, famous for building dams that create entire ecosystem. Hamsters, popular pets known for their cheek pouches which can hold large amount of food. Guinea pigs, domesticated rodents cherished as pet and originally bred in South America. Fascinating facts. Capybara, the giant rodent. The capybara, native to South America, is the largest rodent on earth. These social animals can weigh over 100 pounds and are excellent swimmers, often found near water. Beavers, nature's architect. Beavers use their strong teeth to fell trees and build intricate dams. Their constructions create wetlands that benefit many species, earning them the nickname ecosystem engineers. Pouch rats, heroes in disguise. African pouch rats are trained to sniff out landmines and diagnose diseases like tuberculosis. They save countless lives while being too light to trigger explosives. Rodent teeth, a lifetime of growth. A rodent teeth grow continuously throughout its life, reaching up to 4 inches annually if left unchecked. This is why gnawing is essential for their survival. Diverse diets. While most rodents are herbivores, some, like rats, are opportunistic omnivores, eating anything from seeds to scraps of human food. Reproduction machines. Rodents are prolific breeders. A single pair of mice can produce hundreds of offsprings in a year, which is one reason they are so widespread. Challenges and benefits of rodents. Rodents often have to love-hate relationship with humans. On one hand, they are vital to ecosystems by dispersing seeds. They help forests regenerate. As prey animals, they support countless predators in the food chain. On the other hand, rodents are notorious for damaging crops, spreading diseases, and invading urban spaces. However, not all rodents are pests. Many, like guinea pigs and hamsters, are beloved pets. Others, like the capybara and the beaver, are crucial to maintaining biodiversity in their habitats. Even the most misunderstood rodents play roles in medical research, helping scientists develop cures for diseases. So, what we have learned, rodents are far more than just tiny creatures scurrying in the shadows. They are survivors, innovators, and key players in nature's grand design. From the smallest house mouse to the giant capybara, they showcase the adaptability and resilience of life. Next time you see a squirrel darting up a tree or hear about the cleverness of a rat in a maze, take a moment to appreciate these incredible creatures. They may be small, but their impact is massive. I hope you will like this video, so show some love and like and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.